Alright, YouTube, welcome back to another vlog, man. We about to do some go fast parts. Go fast parts on a 135.
330.
Where you going, man?
I'm in the other part. The Z is too funny. It's funny.
Shit, alright or
It's
something.
fucking place.
Yeah, man, that's what it's for. It's winter time, bro.
Shit going on.
Bro, why? Yo, listen, kids, don't drink and drive, all right? Don't drink and drive, kid. Don't drink and drive, bro. You ain't see what's inside of his car? You got a breathalyzer in there, bro. Don't drink and drive, bro. I told him, man. I told him I want to race him. The second he go past me, I'm calling the cops. Like, yo, this is not water, bro. It's something spicy in here, bro. Alright, so we about to do the downpipe on it. And you guys can't really see inside here, but that's what we're doing right now. Hey man, for 4 cylinders, y'all shit move fast, bro.
OG, why should I get the tune though? Why should I get the tune?
At that point, he ain't gonna get caught by the cops. He's gonna keep moving. Just keep going. Yo, but let's talk about this right here, bro. Oh, what happened? No. Everybody gotta get put on the spotlight, bro.
Nah, chill. I had a little accident, you know. I ran a nigga over on a bike. I couldn't see him. Nigga was wearing all black.
You can't be out here hitting pedestrians, bro. You say you couldn't see him, so he ain't had no reflectors on?
Had nothing on.
All right, you beat that case. Hey, yo.
I started hearing that nigga scream out. Fuck that shit.
Oh my God, bro. Oh, so you would've did the same thing?
Hell yeah!
Y'all is a bunch of delinquents, bro.
Either way, it's a lose-lose. You're gonna, if you wait for the cop, then you're going to jail. And even if you still keep going, then you're still going to jail. So, you
God.
gotta do what you gotta do.
If you hit the pedestrian, you was running or what?
I'm out of here.
You running? You running?
Nah.
Alright, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm with you. Alright, bro. He said he Bro, the way my karma come, bro, if I hit a pedestrian, bro, and I run, by the time I get to the tunnel, oh yeah, sir, just pull over. Pull over. Oh, he jumped in front of the car now. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, so we got the car up in the air now, and taking the clamp off. Whoa. Whoa. Know what's wrong with it? Ain't got no gas in it. Dang, I kind of sort of wish I had a before video of him revving it up.
I got one.
You got one? Yeah, send it to me. Go ahead, muscle man. Almost there. Good exhaust pipe. Good exhaust pipe.
Oh, I see. The camera.
Say it again?
Black in the O2 sensor.
Oh. Y'all see it? Y'all can't see. Oh, the man with the light.
What's up, man? It's black in that. This is gonna be bold. How to take this out? 1, 2.
Oh yeah, we gotta get rid of this, man. Shine a light in there, bruh. In here, my boy. Yeah, we gotta get rid of that.
Hell
Time to get rid of
yeah.
that. Let's go. We can put this big beefy thing on, man. No, don't go out there stealing people girls after this, bro. Now y'all can see behind the scenes on what be going on. What we gotta do to get reels. Hot tour, spit in that thing. So it's really not that hard, y'all. It's just a clamp at the top. If I'm not mistaken, it's a clamp at the bottom. 2 O2 sensors you gotta unplug. That's about it. You have to make sure you got room and clearance. I'm ready to hear this thing start up. How you think it's gonna sound?
Hey, listen, I'm gonna break some rules tonight. I'm gonna break some traffic rules tonight with this door.
It just looks so good.
Alright, look,
Wait till it get warmer and start gaining that color.
imagine the whole shit. Like,
Oh, you got money for that. You got money for that. Not that bad, John.
huh?
Not that bad coming off.
That's what this one you put in the clamp on. I get a check in the line. I already have it. You already have one?
Oh, so you just fine with the check engine light?
It's the heat lab system.
Oh. I see a check engine light on the Scat, I'll be mad. I'll be tight.
I've been driving my shit with a check engine light for like 4 years now.
Oh my God. I don't know how y'all do that.
It's for O2 sensor.
Because we know there's nothing wrong with it.
Yeah, because that shit is just gonna get cooked. Every time you replace it, you get cooked.
You're gonna reset it and then it's gonna come back up again.
Oh, that thing on there tight, cuz. That thing on there tight. New reel, y'all. New reel. Yeah, them rollers hit heavy, man. Gotta send it out to my chats, though. You see yourself on here? Shut yourself out. I'm on the wrong page, that's why. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Always be polite. Always be polite. And then I go to the other page and like it and repost it. Boom. Oh yeah, you can't forget to put that back on.
I should have bought a new one.
Yeah, sure. It'll work.
Oh yeah. Just start it right now. I don't give a fuck. You almost Johnny trying to take your eyeballs out, bro. Like you ain't with your car finished, bro. Yeah. Somebody's arm's gonna be tired in the morning.
Work tomorrow.
Alright guys, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I'm a little bit happy though because he's doing the exhaust now. This gives me faith that he gonna do the exhaust for the Scat. Cause we gotta get tuned. I gotta put my trust in my boy right here. You know what I'm saying?
Hold it.
Hold it right there.
Just look at the stance. Look at the stance, yo. Yo, why you standing behind him like that, bro? Hey, yo. Hold on, yo.
Wow. Almost dead.
Almost done? Woo. I wonder how his girlfriend, when he go home and his arms be tired, try to be like, oh, really? He be like, it's okay, it's okay. What was you doing at the shop? Who is she? BMW 330? I know that feeling, bro. I know that feeling, bro. His arm feel like it's in.
That's what I'm saying.
I should blow it up.
Yeah, look. Bro, do not flex on my YouTube, bro. It's the right spot, y'all. The right spot, man. One-stop shop. Yo, what's that oily stuff right there? What's that oily stuff right there?
That is the motor mount blew up.
Word?
That's the grease coming out of his motor mount. The motor mount, right?
What?
That's the motor mount.
That's the first time I just seen that shit.
Yeah.
I don't even know this.
Dang, bro. I'm scared to put my car in the lift, bro. He tell me something else wrong with the car, toss it in the garbage, bro. Put it back in the water where it belongs with the rest of the boats.
Is it this shit?
Uh-oh.
This joint?
Yeah.
Oh, now you gotta put that one.
Yeah, I should have been trusted.
He gotta blow through the breathalyzer first. Alright, yo, so before the camera dies, we're gonna get a startup real quick. Alright, you ready, John? Yeah. You ready? Alright, y'all, that's the end of the vlog. The camera about to die.
This shit pop louder.
It does pop louder.
More shit.